When I want to fight, I need strength. This strength is what I have already gained from the food I have eaten earlier, the food that my body has already digested and processed, the food that has converted into my strength. Same way, when I am under stress, the knowledge that I have gained, processed, and digested is what is going to come handy in those stressful situations. I can read and I can gather as much information as I want, but that is like the food sitting in my mouth. That is not chewed yet. That is not digested yet. It is not going to give me any strength. So it is very important that I spend time on digesting, on chewing the information that I gain. Only collecting information and knowledge is not going to help me when I face a crisis situation. I must spend time in digesting it as well.